everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right, let's go over the markets. All right, we did have some selling in the markets today. You guys know the Dow was down yesterday. It was down again today. So that is a concern. All right, we'll take a look at the Dow, but that is a concern. All right. Dow was down, Nasdaq was down, S&P was down, Russell was down. So across the board, all the indexes were down today. All right. As far as big picture, let's make sure things are holding. All right. So big picture on the Dow here. All right. So we talked about this, guys. The Dow has retraced from the all-time highs. All right, which is right here. All right, so green candle, we don't have any selling yet on the weekly time frame, but we do have some red candles, all right, on the daily time frame. All right, so we've got support right about short-term support right here. All right, if we break through that trend line and we get some selling, next support level is over here on the Dow. All right, so that's the Dow. S&P holding right at the all-time highs there. Nasdaq firm holding well, all-time highs. All right, although it's down, still held for the week. This is a weekly time frame. Okay, guys. Russell, all right, pull back, retreated from its resistance level. So now it's trading right at resistance, guys. All right. This is where the buy signal came in, retrace right here, holding the trend line. All right. So, we could see some buying coming tomorrow. All right. We've had a lot of selling in equity. So we could see some buying coming tomorrow. All right. Dollar made a move higher. All right. So you guys should have seen some really good moves in the dollar pairs today. All right, green candle coming in on the dollar index here, bullish. All right, on the weekly time frame. If the dollar really needs to move higher, right, it's got to get past resistance about right here, break through that trend line again, weekly time frame. All right, pound yen, guys, pound yen still holding near all-time highs on the pound yen. All right. Let's take a look at the signal. So on the Dow, we do not have a sell signal yet, but I'm surprised. That should come in soon. All right. Buy signal here, red candles. All right. So we'll consider that a sell signal, but we don't have a white arrow here by our system. All right. So we'll consider right now on the Dow sell signal. On the not the S&P, the Russell right here also has a sell signal. We've got near-term support right here. We've got further support right here. All right, so selling in the equity markets, it's not a major concern yet, but this is not good, where we've got red candles coming in on the Dow and on the Russell. Nasdaq is holding so far. All right. Hey, Anthony, welcome. And also the S&P is holding, but this is a concern here. Dow, red candles coming in here. You guys, our US 30 traders did really well on the move lower in the Dow. All right. So we'll go through that also. All right. As far as sectors, guys, sectors are still holding. We have new downs, all right, in home construction and transportation. Overall, all right, most of the sectors are up. Again, the major indexes are still up, but we can tell selling is coming in. The VIX moved higher. All right. So moved from a low of, what's that, 12? Hold on. All the way down here. I think that's 12 and 11 and change. All right. Moved higher to 12 and now it's at 14. Okay. So gapped up. So VIX is moving higher. All right. A number above 20, though, is what we need to be concerned with. So if it gets to about 20, 20 would be right about here is 20. So we're far away from that. All right. So, but just keep that in mind. 2 big down days. is not good for the Dow. All right. Current positions. Now we have a lot of current positions. Before we do that, um, futures market, guys. All right. The dollar here, dollar was up today. Equity markets were down. We're starting to see that dollar index move higher, right? Getting away. Let's move this. Getting away from that trend line here, moving up. If it recovers, listen, if it recovers that moving average, we get a green candle. We could all of a sudden see where the dollar index start testing resistance here. All right. So if we get a green candle, that's a very bullish sign, like it did here, like it did here. Red candles followed by white candles, followed by green candles, very bullish, like here. All right. So, but again, dollar index moves higher, right? We could see the equity markets move lower. All right. All right. That's the way it works. Current position. All right, we have a lot of positions, guys. So let's go through those. Okay. Long positions, current long positions in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame. All right, let's go through those. Long positions. ZAR Yen. All right, guys. ZAR Yen close. Let's move this. All right. Buy signal was right here, right? Buy signal here on the break of resistance. Red candle, sell signal. So we should be out of that trade. ZAR Yen. USD Yen. All right. So dollar yen, buy signal here, holding firm, all green candles. All right. We've got resistance right here. So we're looking for it to break through that resistance, holding firm. All right. And the dollar yen will follow the dollar index and the dollar pairs. All right. So we just need price to continue to move higher. Buy signal all the way down here. All right. If you guys held it through this pullback right here, good job. Holding here, all green candles. This is a very bullish sign, guys, when we've got higher lows, right? Holding that resistance right here, very bullish. Okay. USD JPY. CAD yen, that closed. All right, let's take a look at it here. All right, so buy signal was right here on the break of resistance. All right, never really went anywhere. Sell signal, red candle, close that trade, please. CAD yen. All right. Now, if the dollar index continues to move higher, we need these yen pairs to close. All right. And we've had a run in the yen pairs. Okay. So that's okay. I mean, look at the runs here in the yen pairs. Okay. So we've had our fun with the yen pairs. All right. We'll wait on shorts, but it's okay. All right. Then that's what they do. Okay. So at some point, they've got to come on back down. All right. So CAD yen, close that trade, please. HKD JPY, that's holding so far. Buy signal here. Again, just like dollar yen, holding resistance right here. And we need to get past that resistance. And we've got, right, candles are building higher lows right here, trading right at that resistance. So they're doing good. But keep in mind, these yen pairs could come down. All right. Pound yen finally closed, guys. Just amazing trading with pound yen. Finally closed. A decent trade there. All right. All right. So buy signal right here on the break of resistance right here. And red candle right here. But we got out right here. Sell signal right here. All right. So close that trade, please. All right. Now, if buyers come back in, we break through that resistance, get another buy signal, we'll know, we'll be able to take that trade again. All right. But for right now, the dollar pairs. All right. So pound yen, close that trade, please. All right. Dollar pairs. USD MXN, guys. Hopefully you took advantage of these dollar trades. All right. USD MXN, great trade going here. Buy signal was here. Look at that price action. All right. Almost straight up, guys. Big candles came in here. All right. Good job. USD MXN. A lot of activity today. All right. USD HUF. Look at that, guys. Amazing trade here. Look at this markdown phase. All right. This was the day to be trading on that 60-minute. We've been calling these alerts all day, all last night. All right. So good markdown phase. All right. Got past that resistance right there. Look at that big candle here. Buy signal here. Look at this, guys. Great trade right here. USD HUF. Right. So USD MXN. USD HUF right here. Great trading. Dollar ZAR is fairly new. Buy signal here. Here's your markdown phase. Markup needs to break past resistance right here. USD PLN, another great trade, guys. Look at these. Great trades, dollar pairs. Here's your markdown phase. Right. Buy signal, markup phase. Lots of pips here. All right. Lots of pips here. All right. USD PLN. USD HKD, all right, markdown, markup, buy signal here needs to break out. So still early in this trade. Most of these dollar pairs, guys, have gone too late on these, okay? If you did not catch them, it's too late. All right, USD HKD. USD SEK, same thing. Here's your markdown phase. All right. Here's your markup phase. Buy signal here. Heading towards resistance. Too late. All right. Too late to get on these. All right. Even on your smaller time frames, I would be careful. All right. These trades are gone. USD SEK. USD PLN. All right. Same thing, guys. Look at these trades. All right. Amazing trades. Buy signal here. Right. Moving up nicely. Good markdown phase. Right, markup, that's your V. Dollar CAD, same thing. Look at these. Now, when you guys, those of you, our monster scalper traders, when we are sending out these alerts and they're coming out fast and furious, like they did the last 24 hours, you need to pay attention. All right. Something is going on. They're buying, they're moving. All right. So, all right. And this is on the 60-minute time frame. So if you know, you go a few hours, they're gone. Too late. All right. Buy signal here. Nice price action. Look at that. Great candles. All right. Dollar CAD. USD CZK, same thing. All right. All it you just needed to just pick a few of them. All right. Markdown phase, markup. So there's still room to run if you're already in. All right. Breaking resistance here. All right. USD SGD, same thing. Now keep in mind that these are just, even with these big moves, they just get into that resistance level or break into that resistance. So we could get some additional upside on these. And we've seen a lot of the 240 giving alerts. All right. All right. USD SGD, USD DKK. All right. Look at this, guys. Great trades. Great day. All right. Here is your V. Trust the markdown phase, markup phase. All right. That's your process. Okay. And look here, look at the upside. I mean, I know from here looks like it's done. All right. But If you can get past that resistance, next target all the way up here. All right. USD DKK. And this is similar, all of them. I mean, all of them are running the same way. Good support down here. Right. We've been waiting. Right. We've been waiting for the dollar pairs. Remember, I talked about, right, be careful of that short. We didn't short the dollar pairs, and not in a big way anyway. All right, because we knew at some point buyers would come in. All right, especially looking at that dollar index here, holding that trend line. We've been talking about this. All right, so no surprise here. No surprise. Okay. All right. We added the euro pairs. Now, euro pair, the dollar, that's your trade. All right. Now it was the yen. That was your trade. Now the dollar pairs, that's your trade right now. Okay. But we'll add the euro pairs. The dollar and the euro pairs will run together. Okay. All right. So euro, we can't do across the board. We can't just, just be selective, right, with these. Okay. Euro and okay. All right. So here's your markdown phase here. But your first trade, right, the best opportunities we see right now is in the dollar index, dollar pairs, unless things change, right? They can change. All right, buy signal here, euro and okay, EUR and okay, target up here. All right. All right, euro ZAR. All right, euro ZAR, nothing here, guys. Euro Aussie. All right, buy signal here. Very choppy in here, but this is what we're looking for. If we are lucky enough, all right. Now, again, the dollar pairs, that's your best trade, all right? But the euro pairs, like I said, will move. If it could get past this resistance here, it's very choppy, a lot of consolidation in here, all right? Difficult trade here, but if it could get past resistance here, all right, we could see it move. All right, not your best opportunity here. All right, so euro, Aussie. All right, EUR, PLN. All right, EUR, PLN. Buy signal was here. All right, moving up nicely. We got resistance here, and it is getting past that resistance. All right, so right here is your resistance. All right, and next target all the way up here. Again, the euro pairs, that's not your first trade. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, euro CAD, we're gonna remove this here. Don't trade that. All right, EUR CZK, good markdown phase right here. So from here to here. All right, we've got resistance right here. Now, the good thing on this trade is that if it gets past this resistance, which it is setting up, all right, this is where buyers failed before. So if the dollar index breaks out to the upside, all right, this will help the euro pairs. Okay, so this is where it failed before. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, and it's holding right at that resistance line right here. Look at that. See how it's building right here, building. All right, that's encouraging. We just need to break out. And then from here, next resistance, real resistance is all the way up here. Okay, so EUR CZK, but again, excuse me, excuse me, guys. Again, your best opportunity, dollar pairs. All right, dollar pairs long. That's the trade. All right, there's always a focus where capital is moving. All right, they can't buy everything, so there's always one real move. All right, was the yen, now it's the dollar. Okay, all right. All right, 240. So monster scalper on the 240-minute time frame. Let's take a look at those trades. And these are long positions on the 240. And then I'll show you guys, before we look at stocks, I'll show you guys the US 30, an amazing trade, trading on the US 30, okay? We'll take a look at that also. Swiss yen. Swiss yen still holding firm. Buy signal here. Right. Nice price action, even with right the move down with the yen pairs. Right. Some of them are holding. All right. You'll find most of them might hold on the 240. So let's see what they did. So Swiss yen, buy signal here, holding firm. Euro yen. All right. Buy signal here. All right, buy signal here, guys. It's reached its resistance right here. White candle. Take profits on a trade like this. All right. It's reached its target. Yes, we could see buyers come in. Right. White candle here. There's a good chance buyers could come back in. All right. But we're going to close this one right here. All right. Euro yen. All right. Dollar yen. Buy signal here. Breaking out nicely. HKD JPY buy signal here breaking out nicely, heading towards its target. So it hasn't made it to that target right up here yet. All right. SGD JPY buy signal here, all green candles moving higher there. SGD JPY. Pound yen. All right. Pound yen buy signal here. You guys know it closed on the 60, still holding here on the 240. All right. Great trade. Look at that beautiful trade there, guys. All right. And you got support, holding support right here. No white candles. All right. All green candles here. Buy signal here. Look at this. This is for how many pips here? This is for 500 pips, guys. 500 pips. Great trade going there. Pound yen. All right. Aussie yen. Right at support. Let's see here. I would say we'll close this. Okay. Uh, if that dollar index moves higher, okay, break support right here, guys. We're going to get a red candle. We've got short-term, near-term support right here. Further support, real support is right here, right? Failing to stay above resistance. All these white candles, that's not good. Making lower highs here, right? We can get one big candle just like it did here, and all of a sudden, right? So Aussie yen closed that trade. Remember, right now that less things change, the dollar trade, that's the trade. Okay, dollar long. New Zealand CAD. All right, buy signal here, holding firm. All right, holding firm, traded well here. New Zealand dollar. All right, that's gonna sell. All right, any of the inverse dollar pairs, right, we should close out. Okay, so buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, right? White arrow here, that's your sell signal. Red candle, also a sell signal, close the trade. All right, so New Zealand dollar, close the trade. That's the inverse dollar. Euro dollar, right? No surprise here. Buy signal here, failed resistance. Red candle, broke support, right? Support is right about here, right? Red candle, close the trade. All right, euro dollar, that's expected. Pound dollar, same thing. All right. Also, all those inverse dollar pairs, close them out. Buy signal here on the break of resistance, red candle, close the trade. Guys, we want to close these trades when we get these sell signals and these red candles. I know we talk about this all the time. Okay. Right. That right. Sellers can push that price all the way back down here to support, all the way down here. All right. So get out, take those losses, whether they're small or big loss, get out. Pound dollar, close the trade, please. All right, USD, MXN. Look at this. Beautiful trades here. These are your dollar pairs. Good markdown phase. Let's draw it in. Really nice price action. And look how they're holding at the close of that 240s. All right. That's very bullish. Very bullish sign. All right. So mark down, mark up. First target right up here. Let's bring that up. We'll bring it up right about, let's bring it here. All right. Buy signal here. It's getting past this area here. Look at that. Buy signal here. Look at these candles, guys. Big candles. This is on the 240 now. All right. So hopefully you guys are taking advantage of these moves. All right. USD, MXN. All right. No reason not to be in these trades. This is why we do this. Okay. USD, HUF. Good markdown phase. Look at that. Guys, if they turn around, sellers come in. All right. No big deal. Close the trade. Remember, we want small losses, big wins. Small losses, big win. Getting past resistance here. That's your buy signal right here. Triangle here on the break of this resistance. Nice big candles here. Target is all the way up here. All right. What a great trading day today. All right. USD HUF. All right. USD PLN. All right. Markdown phase. All right. Breaking resistance here. That's your buy signal. All right. Buy signal right here. Target all the way up here. All right. USD CZK, same thing. Look at this. Look at that markdown phase. All right. Remember, that's your discount. Beautiful markdown phase. Wouldn't it be nice for these dollar pairs to make a run all the way back up, guys? They're due for a nice move all the way up. Look at this. All right. Broke resistance, buy signal here. All right. Green candles, buyers are coming in. USD DKK, same thing. Almost identical. All right. All right. So far, that's the trade. All right. Look at support down here. We've got really good support down here. And guess what? It's been here before at the high right here. So there's a good chance we can make it, hopefully, all the way back up. All right. Or if not halfway. We'll see what it does. All right. Good markdown phase and buy signal moving up nicely there. Okay. All right. So that's monster scalper long positions and the dollar pairs. We'll take a look at stocks, equities, but before that, before I forget, let's take a look at the US 30 short. All right, now we call this short here, right about in here, to our US 30 traders. Okay. Now on the NAS, we haven't called anything yet on the NAS, but great trading here. All right, guys, this is for a lot of money here. All right, good short here on the US 30 on the 60-minute. And here's the current short. The beauty of this short right here, look at that price action. All right. Now, we called it late in here, but even from here to here, that's a big move. Look at this candle here at the end of the day, guys. This is an hourly time frame right here. It's a lot of money. All right. This is futures, the US 30. Big trade right here. Here we are on the daily time frame. We could find support down here. All right. So support is at 841. So 841. All right. 87, 87, what's that? 87, 8, let's say, yeah, 50, let's say, yeah, 850. All right. So guys, we can certainly move lower. Now, the trick is this. If the equity markets are down tomorrow, if it's down big, okay, we could see where we break through that support here. This isn't a big support right here. All right, we have support, but it's not major support. So we could see where sellers really come in and push that price even lower. The good news is for right now, all right, it's holding, right? We don't see buyers rushing in. All right. So sellers are definitely in control, holding that price down right now. At a minimum, okay, if we can get to that support right here, beautiful trade. All right, great trade. The NAS 100, haven't even looked at it. All right, not doing anything yet. Okay, we need this to set up. We need at a minimum white candles, kind of like here. All right, red candle to come in. All right, to go short. Still right there, undecided right now with the direction, because buyers on the daily time frame, guys, buyers are still holding firm. All right, very different than here. All right, look again. All right, on the daily, our overall trend right here, buyers are still in control. We've got a buy signal here. All right, now if it breaks through that support, we can start to get some white candles. All right, red candles, that's when we get excited about shorting. Okay, all right, very different to this here. All right, very, very different. We don't even have a buy signal on the US 30. Okay, buy signal was that closed all the way down here. All right, on the NAS, it's still holding its buy signal. Very, very different. Okay, very, very different. All right, keep that in mind. A beautiful trade, guys. Good shorts. All right, those of you, our monster US 30 traders, got on this trade. Good job. All right, good job. Equities. Let's go through equities. Now we have a down day. We could see some of these equity positions close. All right, so let's go through them. All right. So stock boss, guys, stock boss AMC. All right, AMC. Boy, that is struggling right now to hold. All right, we have resistance here. Support is right here. If it breaks support tomorrow, now we've got a white candle here. All right, if we break support tomorrow, we get a red candle, we'll have to close this trade here, which is too bad. All right, hopefully down the road it might give us another opportunity to buy, but it's right at support here. If you guys look here, this is where sellers came in at support right here. Gap down right here, push that price lower. I know we're near the lows. All right, we are near the lows. So, but just it is what it is. GameStop right here doing much better. All right, buy signal here, still holding. All right, if we do this, now pressure by the market with these indexes here could bring in pressure on these stocks. Okay, so it's trying to hold here. GameStop. ORGN, that's holding. All right, holding firm right here. ALLK, same thing here, guys. Testing support right here. White candle, right? Really trying to hold here. That's a big candle. Keep an eye on that. All right, CDMO. We're going to close this. Okay, resistance is here. Buy signal is here. Failing to hold above resistance. Gap down, big white candle here. That's not good. All right, that's not good. So CDMO, close that trade, please. All right, EBS, that's holding. Right, keep an eye on it though. No white candles, but we got lower highs right here. Buy signal here, but we got lower highs coming in here. Right, all green candles though. We need buyers to come on back in. ME got saved today. All right, ME was at support on a down day. ME on a down day. Big candle came in today. Buyers came in today in a big way. All right, need to get past resistance here, but it got saved today, held support. Okay. All right, ADTN, same thing here. All right, MAXN. All right, that's holding on a down day. TAC, TAC, green candles here, held today. All right. When they're holding on a big down day like this, that's a good sign. So that's Stock Boss Bullmaster. All right. NEP, that's holding. You guys can easily see that there. RCL, Royal Caribbean, that's holding. CLS, nice move, that's holding. CRWD, holding. GNRC, that's holding. All right. Bullmaster, not doing bad. HOOD, all right, making a move higher there. MNDY, holding. MPWR, that's holding. NTNX, holding. PGTG, holding. Guys, keep in mind, these are large caps. Okay, so they tend to hold, right, much better. If selling, continues, eventually they'll turn around, but, right, they're holding. That's holding. WIX is holding. Look at ANF, guys. Buy signal here. Look at that price action today. Buy signal came in at 139, close to the 189. Must have had news. All right. Good move. 23% today. That's a big day for a stock, guys. All right. GOGO on a down day too. All right. Netflix, I'm holding. All right, CRNX, we're going to close this trade, guys. We have a red candle here. Look here, gap down. This is not good. All right. All right. Previous resistance becomes support. Right. Did not hold. Look at the resistance here. Right here. Look here. Resistance here. This is where sellers came in before. Here, here, and here. I know we got a bounce here. Bounce here, but we'll close it. All right. Could get a bounce off that trend line. It is holding that trend line right here, right here, right here, right? But wouldn't take a chance there. Okay. All right. CRNX, close the trade, please. There are other opportunities. KURA, big white candle, broke that trend line, close the trade, please. And it's rejecting, right? Rejecting that resistance. Sellers are here, right here, right here. Here it is right here. Buy signal was here. Right? Needs to hold above that resistance. Okay. All right. And we could see additional selling come in. That will not help. NVCR, that's holding. All right. PTGX. What do we do here, guys? All right. We get out of the trade. All right. This is scary right here. Look at this. Here is resistance here. Here is resistance. Here is resistance. So that price, $30. Traders are watching that $30 level. All right. The last time it got to that level, right? Look what they sold off. Same here. Here we are again, red candle, right? So if we don't get out, that selling could become nasty there. Okay. All right. So our job is to just react, right? Just react, get out quickly. All right. So PTGX, sellers are coming in and they're coming in heavy. That's a big candle there. All right. So close the trade. All right. JXN continuing to hold in. All right. IRBT. All right. Red candle came in here, closed the trade. All right. Red candle, those are sellers. We've got to get out. All right. Your first loss is your best loss. All right. AES. All right. We have resistance here. All right. First buy signal did really well right out of that markdown phase. So markdown accumulation, broke resistance here, buy signal here, broke support. Now we're looking for another trade. Buy signal here. Guess what? This is where sellers came in heavy. We've got a white candle here. Close the trade. All right. AES. Protect your capital. BVN, buy signal here, holding so far. All right. And UGG, UNG, that's holding. Buy signal here, a descent mark down phase. Buy signal here, holding so far, all green candles, but definitely keep an eye on it. Okay. So that's Bullmaster. Now we've got Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. All right. AVGO, that's holding right here. Keep an eye on it though. Microsoft is holding right here. Keep an eye on it. All right. Buyers are holding here. An update. If we have I wouldn't say a big update, just an update. We could see Microsoft break out of this high right here, this resistance right here. Okay. Nice, nice pullback. Look at the previous trade here. Bought here, sold here, and we're just waiting for that nice breakup on a down day. Look, they held it. All these buyers are accumulating right here, and they're holding on a big down day. They're holding Microsoft. All right. Now, Microsoft, very similar to NVIDIA. All right. That's your AI stocks, right? NVIDIA is the leader. Microsoft is right behind. So they're not letting it go. All right. NVIDIA, look at that. All right. So held, as a matter of fact, was it up? I think it was up slightly for the day, but they're holding it, holding that gap. Look at that. Right? Holding, not filling that gap here, not filling that gap here. Very strong. All right. And I think they're coming up with a split. All right. 10-1 split, whatever. All right. But based on that price action, they're holding it strong, even on a down day. Another one here, Carver. Carver doing really, really well, guys. Buy signal. Now, the previous trades did really well. Bought here, sold here. Same with NVIDIA. Look at the previous trades here. These are very strong, good fundamentals. Buy signal on Carver came in at second buy signal reaccumulation phase, came in at 71, trading at 88, guys. 88. Great trade going here. And this was fairly quick. This is daily time frame. So what? 2.5, 3 weeks there. All right. Big move for stocks. ACGL, buy signal here, holding firm. ASPN, another strong stock here. Buy signal here was at 19, guys, trading at 29. And again, what, 2.5, 3 weeks there. Don't chase these. And if you guys, I don't talk about this a lot. I know we have new traders come in that's not with us. Okay. So, guys, when we send these out, okay, just be careful. All right. Be careful taking these trades. All right. If you take them, trade them at your own risk because you're not using our systems. All right. All right. That's all right. HWKN. All right. Buy signal here, holding so far. All right. So we'll keep an eye on equities. It's still holding. But boy, the Dow, that selling coming in the Dow, that's not good. This right here is not good. Okay. All right. So support on the Dow. Now we can trade it like we're doing in the US 30, but not good for equities if that price action keeps coming down there. Okay. And we've got support. So we've got support right here. Okay. So keep that in mind for equities. Okay. Let's see what it's doing right now. Futures are down. If that's right, that's a big down. Okay, that's 260 down, dollars up. All right, so we'll keep an eye on the markets. Okay, for selling, that's not good right now. If this is, and it's usually real. What did it close at? Hold on. So 38,441, and it's at 38,263. Yeah. Yeah. So it's down. The Dow is down, guys, to 249 right now. All right. So something is going on to cause this selling. All right. But we don't need to know that. All right. So just be careful. But this will certainly help the short here, that US 30 short here. Okay. So here it is here. 280, 338, 265. All right. So 38, 265. Right here. Okay. Right here. All right, guys. Our US dollar traders, those of you trading the US dollar, all right, dollar index, your dollar pairs. Let's do this. All right. The dollar's up right now. Stay with your dollar pairs. And we're going to bring this right in here. So we're looking for a break out of this wedge here, right? Little wedge here. Nice pop, nice big candle. All right, start testing resistance here and hopefully break out. We don't care where these markets go. All right. All right. As long as we move, we can readjust. All right. Go with the move. All right. All right. All right, guys. Take care. I will see everyone tomorrow. Amazing day. Big congratulations to our monster scalper traders and our US 30 traders, guys. All right. So I've been hearing from you guys. Great job. Great job. Great job. All right. Take care. See everyone tomorrow. Take care. Thanks for coming. Bye bye.